Hi guys, welcome to another video from Car Help You. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Ford Fiesta Mark 6 key. This method is similar for all cars, just the key opening method is different. So for this car in particular, all we've got to do is you can put a screwdriver into there and very lightly just tap it. As you can see, our customer's already tried to have a go and he's already loosened the key outlet. Just put a bit of pressure on it and it slides off like that. However, if you don't have it like that, you can get, if I just get the screwdriver and show you, you can get the screwdriver, it will just slide into there, and if you just do it carefully, you don't put too much pressure. As you can see, it's a lot easier doing like that. So once you've got this off, you keep this part safe, you don't want to lose that. So this is where the battery is going to be inside. So if you look carefully, you can see on the sides here and here there's like a clip. So all we do is we just lift those clips up with a screwdriver very slightly. As you see, I'm not putting no pressure at all, and it just opens up. So you can put this one down to the side. All you do then is you come here. If you look very carefully, it's in grooves, so I can just put it in there and I can just pop the battery up. This one, how I have changed, and the car has decided it's going to work now. So that's all you do to change the battery. To put it back together, all you've got to do is clip them down together. It will go a lot tighter. As I said, my customers already decided they were going to have a little go at their key themselves, and they've loosened the key there. Not to worry though, as when this goes back on it, sorry, wrong way, like that, it does actually tighten up. Not much, but there we are. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.